Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to change company type. A previous video we looked at how to change the company name. So today we want to change the company type. So let's do that. Now from the home page of the QuickBook, that is Interest QuickBook, you're going to click on the name of the company to open up the Manage Account and Settings option. So this is Account and Settings option. Then you can see company name, and then you want to change your company type. So you click on the pencil icon next to the company type. You can see tax form. What type of tax form should you prepare? So proprietorship, partnership. So you choose the one. If you're not sure, you can choose not sure. Then industry type. Then you choose where it is. As you can see, I'm in books, so that's education and training. And it's as simple as that. We have many industries you can choose from: accommodation and food services, administration and support services, arts and recreation, construction and building, education and training, farming, financial, manufacturing. To go through all this and look for. If you don't find the one you're looking for, you can simply click on order if it's not there. It's as simple as that. So let's go back, manage education, and then click on save. And the next thing you're going to do after clicking on save is to click on done at the bottom, and that is all. That is how to change company type on Interest QuickBooks. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.